Hello everyone. Welcome to topic of the day. Today we will discuss the Dam Safety Bill 2021. Recently, the Dam Safety Bill 2019 was passed by the Parliament. Rajya Sabha passed it with an amendment of changing the title from 2019 to 2021. The centre had brought the bill under Article 246 of the Constitution, that is Entry 56, Regulation of Interstate Rivers, and Entry 97 of List 1 in the Union List. Now, what is the Dam Safety Bill 2019? Its objective is to set up an institutional mechanism to ensure the safe functioning of specific dams in the country with a height of 10 to 15 meters or above. Second, it provides for surveillance, inspection, and maintenance of the specified dams. Now, this bill has certain provisions. First of all, it has 4 layers of monitoring, 2 at the center level and 2 at the state level. Now let's talk about this bill in brief. It constitutes of 2 national bodies. The first is the National Committee on Dam Safety, which makes recommendations over the dam safety standards and is headed by the Central Water Commission chairman. Second is the National Dam Safety Authority, which implements the policies and standards, impose penalties for non-adherence, and its decisions are binding on all the parties. Then there is another organization involved, which is the State Dam Safety Organization, which carries out inspections and monitor the operation. This bill also talks about some stringent penalties for violation of any law. It can be maximum of 2 years of jail or fine or even both. Now, why there was need of law on dam safety? Firstly, India ranks third globally with 5,745 large dams in operation, from which 67 dams were built prior to the 20th century. Now, since independence, some 40 dams have collapsed in India. For example, the Morbi Dam of Gujarat that collapsed in 1979. Also, we need to adopt some uniform dam safety procedures in safeguarding life and property. There is no specific central law, and under Article 252, the Andhra Pradesh and West Bengal has passed resolution empowering Parliament to come up with a law. Also, we need a law to resolve some issues like regular inspection of dams, comprehensive dam safety review, adequate repair and maintenance funds for dam safety, and the national water security. Now, let us talk about certain issues with the Dam Safety Bill. First, we can say that this bill violates the principle of federalism. Secondly, there is inadequate compensation given to the people affected by dams. Also, Tamil Nadu comes out to be one of the strongest critics of this bill, as it can lose its hold over 4 of its dams, which are located in Kerala, and also equal focus is not given on the operational safety as it is given to the structural safety of the dam. The possible way forward to these challenges, the centre should form regulations that are in adherence with the concerns and fears of the state. Now let us take up a practice question on this topic. With reference to the Dam Safety Bill 2019, consider the following statements. First, it provides for the constitution of a National Committee on Dam Safety, which is chaired by the Central Water Commissioner. Second, water is a state subject under the 7th schedule of Indian Constitution. Which of the given above statements is correct? You can write your answers in the comment section. So the correct answer is C. Both first and second statements are correct. So this was all for today's topic. For more such videos, do stay tuned to the Next IS YouTube channel.